Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by grabbing the essentials, the Qatar Airways flight code and number plus the exact date. Open the Qatar Airways app first because it provides official status and gate info. Log in if you have a booking. If you prefer a tracker app, install and allow notifications and location access now. Once done, enter the flight number into the search field. Make sure the date matches. This first step prevents confusion between codeshare flights and similarly numbered services. Next, confirm the scheduled times and terminal and look for gate assignments. These can change. Use the app's live tracking map or a dedicated radar service to see the plane's position, altitude, and speed. This shows real movement versus delayed status. Also check the departure or arrival airport's live board to catch last-mile updates like gate swaps or ground delays. If you see a codeshare, match the operating carrier. This avoids following the wrong physical aircraft. Finally, enable alerts for status changes, boarding, delayed, landed, so you don't keep checking. If you encounter conflicting information, refresh the app and re-enter the flight number, then cross-check the airport's live feed. If issues persist, call Qatar Airways support with your booking reference. Make sure your app is updated and notifications allowed. If tracking freezes, clear cache or reinstall the app. And as a last resort, follow the airport's official channels or social.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.